Hey, welcome to a very simple and practical video. Today I'll be showing to you how to connect and use VPS both from iOS Mac computer and Microsoft Windows computer. I'm not going to be talking about what VPS is by already assuming that you have your VPS details ready to log in and ready to use. So in order to connect and use, you have to have three things that are ready provided to you from the whatever VPS provider that you purchase your service. And these three things goes as the computer name, which is the IP, and for the login you have to have an ID and the password. So starting with the Mac iOS computer, let's go to My Mac and get it started. Simply see how to connect and use. What we need to do is very simple. The very first step is going to App Store. And in App Store, we have to search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. And this is the one that we need to get. We need to download it on our Mac. Since I already have it, it's just required the update. So after having it, this is the one, simply the way that it's gonna look. And after we double click, this is the page that we will get. So here we add PC, which is the VPS we have that we will be adding. PC name is the IP. Here's the details I have for my own VPS. So I put the IP here. And if I talk about here, you can add a user account, which means if you, like whenever you log in, if you have your user account, which is these two, the user and password, provided ready, it's not going to ask you each time. So now if I say ask when required, when I add simply our VPS, our computer is here, so we can double click and connect. It says unable to connect. Let's try again. Okay, it's asking the details, so we put the administrator, which is the username, and my password. So yes, it's gonna ask, we say continue, and then we're gonna simply log in to our VPS. All right, so this is the our additional computer that like we can use. For example, I like run my banking from here, it's secure. I run my Amazon business from here, my payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, all of them, my ads accounts, like all of them I do run through VPS. All right, pretty much that's it. The other thing, again, like you can always come here, click on this pen, and you can add the user account, which means you can put the details here. So each time you hit the login, it's not gonna ask you twice, like each time to put the ID and the password. So it's gonna be always added. And we can tell the name or VPS, all right? And we save it. So let's try again. And yes, it's reconnected because I was already in. So if I show it to you how to do it from Microsoft, it is also very simple. I will show it. This part is a little bit tricky. I will show it from my VPS because I only have Mac, but this one is Windows. So we come here, and we write run. Yeah, when we write remote desktop connection, on the start, like this part, again we will be asked for the same information. So computer name is our IP, please don't forget, and when you hit connect, I can't connect on VPS, I think, because it's one computer inside another computer. But again, like after I connect, it's going to ask for the user and the pass. So just simple like that, you can start using your VPS from your Microsoft computer as well. So pretty much that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you kind of understand how easy it is to just use and log in. I want to ask you a very simple thing. Please do write down a comment if you connected and give me the thumbs up. It is going to help really a lot. This simple video to go. A lot of people who are in need, who are desperate and who doesn't know how to log in. Remember, you didn't until this video. So I would appreciate it if you can feed the algorithm by just giving me thumbs up and comment. And plus, do not hesitate to reach me in via email, my personal email, if you're having any issues or if you don't know where to get your VPS. I can help you. We do provide as well. So my email is going to be written down here. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for sticking out with me until the very end. And for those who stayed until the very end, I do have a bonus. So one thing that I can say when you're using VPS, if you're new to VPS, so whenever you're on your VPS, let's say you have a tab that is open, okay, like your internet browser, it is open. If you don't close it, if you just leave it the way it is, for example, let's go to Google, okay? Oops. Yes, if you just use it like this and then just close your VPS, don't turn it off, don't turn off the computer because it has to be open all the time. So it's always like the last tab that you were in, it's the same tab that you left it. So let's connect. Yeah, that was one of the things that I want to mention. So whatever tabs that you're working on for your internet browser, whenever you come back, it is how you leave it, pretty much. So again, thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate you sticking up until the very, very end. Hope to see you on my next videos.